Welcome to the Curly Express. Dwight here. I'm doing. I'm working on the big boy. This may be part 4, maybe. And I hope you guys can see this. I can't even see the camera. Alright, so this is part here. My wheels are terrible, but oh well. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. You might not even hardly even see it. Okay, so I got all the wheels the way they should be. That's what I think they are. And then you're going to I'm looking at instructions here. So you both have to put all these little holes. Can you see those holes in here right there? And you're going to use these parts here, and you're going to start no glue there. And you're going to push push those things. They got a little thing right there. I don't know what that's called. So you're gonna push these. I don't think it's gonna go in very easy. Sorry, I'm off the camera. Trying to figure out how to put those in. Might have to ream them out a little bit, maybe. They don't go in very easy. Alright, hold on a second. I gotta pause it. Alright, I'm back. Is it going? I don't know. Yeah, it's moving. So I read that out a little bit with a drill bit. I hope it wasn't too big. It's about the size of that hole. I don't know, it went very little in there. I don't know why you don't glue that on. Well, it's got I guess because it has to rotate. You're right. I knew that. So you're going to line these holes up. Oh man, I don't know. I hope I didn't make those holes too big. So I'm lining up the hole. There's 2 of them went in. And where's the 3rd one? Over here. I'm hoping I can get this on the camera here. Okay, there, I got it in. Now this 3rd one here, this one here, gotta line that up. Oh, that goes in pretty good actually. And I got to find something. This part here, and so you're supposed to be looking at the bottom like this. You gotta have it turned like this. Because this part right here, if you hope you guys can see that. See that part right there's got a little thing sticking out, hanging down. And you're going to they all look the same to me. Well, before I go that far, you got these little, I don't even see them. I thought I painted those, and I don't see them now. I hope I haven't lost those. That would totally suck. Oh, great. I guess I got parts missing. Ain't that great? I thought I painted them. And I thought I threw everything in this here, plastic thing, but I do not see them in here. I don't see them, not even one of them. I don't have another container either. This is it. Oh, wait a minute. They're still on, here's what I'm looking for. They're still on the spur. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, so I gotta take one of these off. I hope this ain't a long video. I don't really like watching long videos. And my watch hours are going down. Somebody's not watching. Okay, so now you're going to take this piece here. Okay, and this is the way it's facing. See how this is the bottom. Yeah, this is the bottom with that part right there. And you're going to well, that don't make no sense. I might have that upside down actually. Am I even on the right part? No, I'm not. This is the part we're supposed to be using. This is the part we're supposed to be using. So we're moving all this stuff here. Taking this back off. Oops. And let me pull these wheels apart. Let me make sure we keep them. Which one goes with which ones. This could be a 30-minute long video. Sorry, guys. Okay, so now we're back with this piece here. And it's going to be facing like this. And now I got to figure out which way those wheels go. I guess this is going this way. This one's going this way. Alright, hold on a second. Alright, I'm back. So I figured out which wheels go where. No point having it all on the video. You already watched me once. That one don't want to go in. Oh, there it goes. And it's tight. How about to roll freely? That's not rolling very freely. Alright, so I got this all back together here. Alright, so now, we got to put that piece here back onto this. I can't even see the camera myself. See what I'm doing. So you gotta put that back in the hole again. And these go in these holes. Like that. That one ain't going in. I already read that out once. Can't read it out again. I did though. Alright, got this all back together. Here we go. And this ain't turning very good. Okay, now we're going to take this part here, and it's got that little crooked thing on there. See that little crooked thing? And that's got to be facing down. And you're going to take this piece here. Can you even see? Where's my hand? There it is. And you're going to put it through this hole here, if it fits. Yeah, it goes. It fits. Kind of. I might have to ream that out. Oh, I got it in there. I just kept turning it like this to see if it'll go. It went through though. There it goes. And and that's going to be this part right here is going to be facing downward. I hope you guys see what I'm doing. That's got to be facing down. And then you're going to get that hole right here. And it's going to go into this other wheel. Sorry, I'm off camera. And you just got to turn that wheel until you figure out how that slide in there. Hopefully. Oh yeah, it went in. Went right in. Hold on a second. Alright, so here, now I had to set the camera up so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Alright, so now this is the way we are right here. We got that part on here. That part right there. And, if that stuff's supposed to move, it's stiff. Really, really stiff. Alright, now we're going to, this one came off. Everything's just really stiff. I might have to like squirt something on that to make it unstiff, maybe. Alright, so now we're going to take, it's not that one. It's not that one. And it's not that one. Yep, it's this one. We're going to take this one. See that crook that came down there? And, man, there's two holes. And, where's the two holes? Oh, there is two holes. I see it now. But, hold on a second. All I did was, turn this. That one keeps coming out of the hole. Gotta make sure all these are squeezed together good, I'm guessing. There's a hole in this one right here. See that hole right there? We're just going to have to wait a little bit before I can put this one back in where it belongs. Alright, so you're taking this part here, and you see there's a thing right there, and that's going to be going into that hole. This part right here where I showed you where that thing is hanging down, well, by what the directions says, it's going to go somewhere. It's gonna, I don't see no way for it to fasten on. But it shows it's supposed to go behind that ledge right there. You see that ledge right there? It shows it goes behind that. And I gotta get this here part here into that hole. So hold on a second, I'm off the camera. I don't see a hole. There's a very tiny hole there. I don't want to break anything. There's a tiny hole. I don't know if you guys can even see it. It's right there. And there's a thing sticking up right there. See that thing right there? And that's going to go in that hole. And it don't want to go in that hole. And I don't want to drill it out. That's not it. I need a tinier, hold on a second, I'm getting a different, and I do have a lot of drill bits. In fact, I got the world's smallest drill bit, so I sure hope I never break one. I'll show that to you in a minute here. Here are the smallest drill bits you possibly can have, I'm thinking, right here. Somebody else had just posted that. Those are really, really tiny drill bits. You won't be able to see it because it won't focus. But I don't need that small right now. Yeah. I got a bunch of little ones right here. I don't want to... I got to prevent, breaking that, sticking it in there. Let me see. Where are we at? Over here. It's all too big. I don't want to... Oh, there we go. That might have done it. There I am back again. So let's try this again. We might got this facing the right way. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, might have made that damn hole too big now. Are you about to put glue in that? No. Doesn't say glue. Doesn't say nothing for that part. Doesn't say glue. No glue. So, well, right now, it's together right there. That's all together right there. But actually, there's still one more part. How do you know which one is which? I'm guessing it's probably this. See, bad thing about it, you had to take stuff off the spurs to. Alright, so one more part for this. There's a hole in that thing right there. See that hole? And there's a hole. Boy, this is kind of long. Maybe there's a shorter one. Yeah, there is a shorter one. So we'll probably end up using a shorter one. So you're going to put there's a hole right there. And, you're going to put that into that hole. And, And none of this stuff wants to fit like it's supposed to. Alright, hang on. Oh no. I'm back. I have some stuff to figure out. We're not supposed to be able to put glue on this stuff. It won't stay in the hole. And there's a lot of extra holes. So I don't know what to tell anybody. I know, Wigwag. I could do it. I just gotta figure out how it goes together. That's all. So I guess that's one way to figure out to get the right wheels in the right place. Um, I think I do though. But they don't they're not moving, very freely, and then if they do move, everything pops out of their holes, and that's not right. So that's kind of confusing there, but I had to, dang it, I had to drill the hole out a little bit. There we go. It finally went in. I just had to keep turning that wheel. But then when you get one hole in the wheel, the other one pops out. Oh, I didn't break that. I was holding it too tight. Right there. I got it finally. And this one on this far end just don't, the thing doesn't want, this one over here doesn't want to stay in very good. And, and then you gotta put this here, put this part on here. And, sorry. This part here, has to go in this hole, which don't fit very good. I don't want to break it. I don't really want to drill it out too big. Joe Rader was talking about getting this kit. I'm sure he'll do twice as better job than me. Alright, that went in finally. I just kept working it. And, hope this ain't blurry. Alright, so I got that back on. See, that don't make no sense though right there. I think that's in the right place though. I think it's gotta go behind there though. I think this part right here should be glued on because it's not moving, but the rest of this don't need to be glued, you ask for my opinion. Because this thing here don't need to be moving, but the rest of it has to be moving. So you got to get this situated there somehow. And it's got to go behind that part. There, it just went behind that. There it goes. That had to go behind that part right there. Because you got this here, a piece here. This piece. And it's... I think it's going to be too long. And maybe not. So now you got to figure out how to get that